Tutorial 8. Hello and welcome. The following tutorial explains how to define detectors. Detectors are the algorithmic heart of the software. It is a list of algorithms, some public and some proprietary, each designed to recognize a specific type of abnormal behavior of data. Defining detectors is performed from the model's main screen by clicking the Detectors tab. The Detectors screen shows all of the detectors currently defined in the system. The icons on the left allow the user to perform actions related to defining detectors. Please move with the mouse over each one of the buttons to display its functionality. When you create a new model, and no detectors are defined, you can define all of the default detectors by clicking on the second icon from the bottom, from the set of icons on the left side of the screen. If some detectors have already been defined, clicking this icon will not change anything. No existing definitions will be overridden. It is possible to filter the list of displayed detectors by choosing from among the variables in the upper right box, or the detector types from the bottom right box. Choosing a detector and clicking the Edit icon will open a window, allowing the user to edit this detector. This window contains the following fields. Detector type. In the case of a new detector, it is possible to choose its type. In the case of an existing detector, it is not possible to change its type, and it is for display only. Detector key refers to the variable the detector is analyzing. In the case of a single variable detector, the key contains the variable name. In the case of a multi-variable detector, the key contains an asterisk. The active box, located to the right of the detector key field, allows the user to determine whether or not the detector is active. The following 7 fields are common to all detectors. The delay before trigger field defines how long the system will wait, from the time it identifies the detector's condition until it announces an alarm. Delay after operational change defines how long the system will wait after an operational variable was changed, before it restarts the detector. This delay is meant to prevent false alarms, for example, changes in the water quality for short periods of time after the start and stop of the pumps. Delay after last event closed defines the minimal period of time between two different events. If an event was closed and reopened in less than the amount of time set in this definition, the system will unite these two events into one. Notification policy sets the frequency of mail alerts. Possible options are no alerts, a daily alert, a once-an-hour alert, or an alert every time an event is opened. Base severity defines the severity of the event. Possible options are null, low, medium, high, and urgent. Block on and block off rules can be used to start and stop the rule conditioning the detector's action. In order to activate this field, please select a rule from the drop-down list of rules defined in the system. For rules definition, please refer to the rules tutorial. The following 3 fields are specific to detector type. Further details about these parameters can be found under Detectors in the Topics section of our website. At the bottom of the screen, the fields used to calibrate the detector are displayed. An explanation about a detector's manual and automatic calibration can be found under Detectors Calibration in the Topics section of our website. 2 frames are located on the right side of the screen. The upper one titled as Info gives general statistics about the detector, the lower one titled History of Changes. List of all changes preformed to the detector's parameters. Thank you. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful and clear. If not, or if you have any additional suggestions or comments regarding this tutorial, please submit your remarks via our website.